Windows play a crucial role in the comfort, energy efficiency, and overall aesthetics of a home. If you're considering replacing or installing new windows in your Washington home, you may be debating whether to tackle the project yourself or hire a professional. Each option has its advantages and drawbacks, and understanding these can help you make an informed decision. Below, we'll explore the pros and cons of both DIY and professional window installation to determine which is best for your needs. DIY window installation. For homeowners who enjoy hands-on projects and have some experience with home improvement, DIY window installation may seem like a viable option. Here are the key benefits and challenges of installing windows yourself. Pros of DIY window installation. Cost savings. One of the primary reasons homeowners opt for DIY installation is to save money. Labor costs for professional window installation can be significant, sometimes accounting for nearly half of the total project cost. Flexible scheduling. Installing windows on your own means you can work at your own pace and according to your schedule, without needing to wait for an available contractor. Personal satisfaction. Completing a DIY home improvement project can be fulfilling, giving homeowners a sense of accomplishment and control over their homes. Cons of DIY window installation. Complexity and skill requirement. Window installation requires precise measurements, proper sealing, and structural knowledge. Even minor errors can lead to air leaks, energy inefficiency, and water damage. Time-consuming. Without prior experience, a DIY window installation can take significantly longer than hiring a professional. A task that might take a pro a few hours could take an inexperienced homeowner a whole weekend or longer. Lack of warranty protection. Many window manufacturers offer warranties that only remain valid if the windows are installed by certified professionals. DIY installation could void these warranties, leaving you unprotected in case of defects or issues. Higher risk of mistakes. Mistakes such as improper sealing, misalignment, or incorrect installation techniques can lead to costly repairs and energy inefficiencies. Professional window installation. For homeowners who prefer a stress-free, reliable installation process, hiring a professional is the better choice. Here's what you need to know about professional installation. Pros of professional window installation. Expertise and quality assurance. Professional window installers have the experience and specialized tools to ensure a perfect fit, preventing leaks, drafts, and structural issues. Time efficiency. Professionals can complete the installation quickly and efficiently, often within a single day, depending on the number of windows being replaced. Manufacturer warranties. Many professional installations come with warranties that cover both materials and labor, providing peace of mind and protection for your investment. Energy efficiency. Properly installed windows enhance insulation and energy efficiency, which can help lower heating and cooling costs in Washington's varying climate. Compliance with local codes. Professional installers are familiar with Washington's building codes and permitting requirements, ensuring that the installation meets all regulations. Cons of professional window installation. Higher cost. The biggest drawback to professional installation is the cost. Hiring an expert means paying for labor in addition to the materials, making it a more expensive option than DIY. Scheduling constraints. Depending on availability, you may have to wait for an appointment, especially during peak home improvement seasons. Less hands-on control. Some homeowners prefer to have direct control over their projects, and hiring a professional means entrusting someone else with the work. Which option is best for you? The decision between DIY and professional window installation depends on your skill level, budget, and priorities. Choose DIY if you have prior experience with home improvement projects, feel confident in your ability to follow installation guides, and are looking to save on labor costs. Choose professional installation if you want a guaranteed high-quality result, lack the necessary skills, or prefer the convenience and security of expert workmanship. Final thoughts. While DIY installation can be an appealing cost-saving measure, the risks of improper installation can lead to costly repairs in the long run. If you want durable, energy-efficient, and hassle-free window installation in Washington, hiring a professional is often the best choice. Regardless of which option you choose, ensuring proper installation is crucial for maintaining your home's comfort and energy efficiency.